see what's the stories of small town. There's always one person who goes to city to seek a fortune and sends monies back home. That's what lives are. There is a kind of an emotional connection that's missing with the new technologies coming in and now the phones becoming more accessible. It seems like there's no distance between two people. And the campaign is keeping that in mind. It's not a very fancy campaign like other ones. It's an effective campaign. It reaches out to those people. It has a very emotional basis.
At Samsung Mobile, we've attempted to give this campaign the best ingredients in the business of advertising. We have Aamir Khan, the actor, Anurag Kashyap, the director, Gulzar Saab, the lyricist, Amit Trivedi, the music composer, and Roy as our creative director. All the big five in this campaign.
Some ads are impactful, you're trying to convey something, or you're trying to convey humor. But when you're trying to convey emotion, you can't do it in a hurry. You need a slight stay in emotion.
In life's journey, lots of things change. But what shouldn't and what doesn't change really is the bonds between family members and loved ones.
I'm very allergic to the ads which have all those gizmo technical things, how one phone turns into this and that. I don't want to do those special effects ads. I like to do stories which have more human elements in it. And this was the one which had those human elements which I could play with and I could do things with or create emotions with.
Okay, let's go one more. And roll video. Roll camera. Action.
Hello?
रघु तेरी नौकरी लगी
क्या फिर से बोल
रघु तेरी नौकरी लगी है
Raghu is your progressive new age Indian who wants to break out of his atmosphere and look for new avenues. He wants to break new grounds. He's the first graduate in the family who's actually dreaming of giving a better life to his family.
There's this family, middle class family, जो एक छोटे से गांव में रहते हैं. अभी ये जो बेटा है, who's like center of the family, वो graduate हो गया है and he has got a job. So he's going to शहर जा रहा है, दूर जा रहा है and all.
Aamir's close. Huh? And the rickshaw goes up. Everybody is fussing over क्या ले जाना क्या नहीं है. Huh? और सारा सब कुछ करके भाई is wearing the same shirt. Like going away and all that.
Well, I'm playing Aamir's girlfriend and he sort of leaves me and goes to the big city, the big bad city. So I'm just missing him and I'm initially a little upset about the fact that he's going away.
Even though we are happy for his success, but inside he won't be around as he used to be. That is where the phone fits in, Guru fits in.
Samsung Guru phones represent the journey of progress. A journey in which the Samsung mobile phone is the bridge, the buddy, the bonder.
All the things that you hear about Aamir is so untrue. He was very involved and very cooperative, very professional, and he also kept coming with ideas, which was fantastic.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Dadi. Happy birthday to you. जन्मदिन मुबारक हो जाए. I think दादी second ही आना चाहिए. एक और मैं दादी बोले.
Amir Khan is the brand ambassador of something. You know, it says a lot because Amir is not the kind of a guy who would pick up any product.
क्योंकि वो दिल के करीब होना बहुत जरूरी है. Physically, that thing needs to be near his heart. माँ गाना ही गाती रहेगी या खाना भी खिलाएगी?
He picks up a product, he wants to know about the product before he agrees to be a brand ambassador. And the moment he endorses something, that very product takes on a new meaning.
But वो smile वाला भी अच्छा लगा.
The best part was there was this scene in which I'm packing his bag. He has something in his hand, and it was very spontaneous. Like I looked at Amir sir and I was like, क्या तो उसने वो गिफ्ट दिखाया, and I said कि पागल है क्या, मॉम है उधर. बहुत मजा आया वो करते. And in between Anurag sir came and Anurag sir बोले कि you're looking very conscious as if you're working with Amir Khan.
Because smile में मेरे को actually ब्रदर सिस्टर वाला फील नहीं आ रहा.
ओह रोमांस आ रहा है.
मेरे को ऐसा नहीं आ रहा. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि तो आधा तो कॉन्शियस है कि शी स्टैंडिंग विद यू. स्माइल वाला शी स्माइलिंग इट. कैमरे में ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. ओके चलो कैमरे में ऐसा लग रहा है. वो नहीं आ रहा.
We have so much fun, that's the best part.
ऐसा दाई जेब में चाहिए. उतारे दे दो मैं.
Amir is one of the biggest stars in the country, and he's a great person to work with.
You want that yawn? I feel yawn नहीं होना चाहिए. कैसा? ठीक बोला लाइन में ना? हाँ. तुम्हें पास बुला रहा? तुम्हें अपने पास बुला रहे. One more.
These phones are very inexpensive, very affordable, and that's his big market, and that's the campaign is also keeping that in mind.
हेलो
रघु तेरी नौकरी लगी है.
क्या? फिर से बोल
तेरे शहर में नौकरी लगी है रघु.
क्या बात है. एक और मैं जा रहा हूँ. उबल पड़े जाते जाते देखा है 10 नंबर 10 उंगलियां हैं, बाकी हाथ की रेखा है.
बेटा तुम हम सबसे बहुत दूर जा रहे हो, कहीं हमें भूल तो नहीं.
आप सबके दिल के बहुत करीब हूँ बाबूजी.
दिल तो जेब में रखा है सैमसंग गुरु. दिल तो जेब में रखा है